I'ma do me, I'ma do me. Whether I'm up, whether I'm down, whether I'm up, whether I'm down, I'ma do me. Yep, I'ma do me. Whether you love me, whether you hate me, yep, I'ma do me. Yep, I'ma do me. If you wanna talk, no comedy, no Chris Rock. If you wanna see me, just meet me up on the block. I'm about money, I'm about stacking my guap. Pen to the pad, my brain about metaphors. You lames just trying to even up the scores. I've been through the struggle like war veterans, taking them tours. I'm the flame to the steak on the grill. My uncle taught me right, if you don't play in the ocean right, them sharks will eat your ass alive. In the field where it's hard to survive. Whether I'm up, whether I'm down, I'ma do me. Yep, I'ma do me. Whether you love me, whether you hate me, yep, I'ma do me. Yep, I'ma do me. She a bad bitch, but I can't love no hoe. I don't need you, all I need is that dope. Thinking that she got me, cause that wap on point, never that. If your pockets ain't on Gucci, then we can relate. If you hit my phone, hell nah, we can conversate. And the same go for you niggas too. I'm about my bread, wide awake like Sarah Lee, and that's a fact. Well, I subtract the bullshit, cause it don't impact me. I can smell it when you say you hate me. And stick to the money, and only care if God judge me. Whether I'm up, whether I'm down, I'ma do me. Yep, I'ma do me. Whether you love me, whether you hate me, yep, I'ma do me. Yep, I'ma do me. Aha! It's the motherfucking bird, T himself. Whether I'm up, whether I'm down, I'ma still do me. Whether you fuck with me or ride with me or not, I gotta get it.